What's up, everybody? I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you join us. This is the place where we dive deep into all things travel. Today we're talking about travel, man. But not just any travel. We're diving into the nitty-gritty details that can make or break your adventures. Specifically, 10 things I wish I knew before I started traveling. These are the lessons that have shaped my journeys and made me a smarter, more efficient traveler. Look, I've messed up a lot. From missing flights to losing luggage, I've been through it all. I've learned from every mistake though, and now you get to benefit from my chronic inability to pack properly or show up on time. Trust me, these tips are gold. I'm talking about hacks, tips, tricks, all that to make your next trip smoother than ever. From packing efficiently to navigating airports like a pro, I've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, trust me, this is gonna be good. So grab a notebook, sit back and let's get into it. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, happy travels. Alright, tip number 1, bring a reusable water bottle. I cannot stress this enough. Airports? Crazy expensive. Tourist traps? Even worse. Plus, plastic waste is a real problem and we gotta do our part, right? Find a bottle you love, one that's durable, maybe even insulated to keep things cold. You'll save money, stay hydrated, and help the planet. Win-win-win. Tip number 2 is all about connecting with the local culture. Learn a few basic phrases in the language of the place you're visiting. I'm not saying become fluent overnight, but hello, thank you, please. These go a long way. It shows respect, opens doors, and honestly, people appreciate the effort. Plus, it's kind of fun to try, right? Okay, tip number 3 is gonna change your packing game forever. Packing cubes. I used to be the king of messy luggage, clothes everywhere, a nightmare. Then I discovered these magical little cubes. You pack your stuff in them, they keep everything organized, and boom, your suitcase is a haven of order. Plus, you can fit way more in. Trust me on this one. Tip number 4 is all about being prepared. Always, and I mean always, have digital and physical copies of all your important documents. Passport, visa, travel insurance, itinerary, scan them, email them to yourself, have a backup on your phone and in your bag. You never know when you might need them, and it's better to be safe than sorry. Tip number 5 is about comfort on the go. Invest in a good travel pillow. I used to think they were a gimmick, but let me tell you, after countless red-eye flights and long bus rides, a decent travel pillow is a lifesaver. It'll make those uncomfortable journeys so much more bearable. Trust me, your neck will thank you. Tip number 6 is crucial for navigating new places. Download offline maps and travel guides. Don't rely on always having Wi-Fi or data, especially in remote areas. Offline maps are a lifesaver. Download Google Maps for offline use, grab some travel apps, and you'll be good to go. Tip number 7 is essential for the modern traveler. Carry a portable charger. Don't let a dead phone ruin your day. You're using your phone for everything. Photos, maps, translations. Keep it juiced up with a reliable portable charger. It's a small investment that can save you a lot of hassle. Tip number 8 is all about being respectful. Research local customs and etiquette before you go. Every culture is different, and what's considered polite in one place might be offensive in another. Do your homework, be mindful, and show respect for the culture you're visiting. Tip number 9 is about being prepared for the unexpected. Always pack a small first aid kit. I'm talking band-aids, pain relievers, antiseptic wipes, the essentials. You never know when you might need them, and it's always better to be safe than sorry. Trust me, a little preparation goes a long way. Alright, tip number 10, and this one's important. Put down the phone. In today's digital age, it's so easy to get lost in the virtual world, constantly checking notifications, scrolling through social media, and snapping endless photos. But sometimes we need to remind ourselves to disconnect and enjoy the moment. I'm all for capturing memories, but there's a fine line between documenting your experiences and missing out on them entirely. When you're always behind the lens, you might miss the beauty right in front of you. But don't get so caught up in documenting everything that you forget to actually experience it. Take some photos, of course, because they are wonderful keepsakes. But remember, the best memories are often the ones that aren't captured on camera. They are the spontaneous moments, the unexpected encounters, and the feelings that can't be fully conveyed through a picture. Sure, but then put the camera away, soak it all in, and let yourself be fully immersed in the experience. Feel the breeze on your face, listen to the sounds around you, and take in the sights with your own eyes. There's something incredibly freeing about being present in the moment, without the distraction of a screen, and be present. These are the moments you'll remember, the laughter shared with friends, the awe of witnessing a breathtaking view, the joy of connecting with new people. These are the experiences that will stay with you long after the trip is over. The ones that will stay with you long after the trip is over. So next time you find yourself reaching for your phone, pause for a moment. Ask yourself if it's really necessary. Sometimes the best thing you can do is to simply put it down and live in the now. Embrace the world around you and let yourself be fully present in the adventure. After all, life is meant to be lived, not just documented. That's it, folks. We've reached the end of another exciting journey together. Today, I shared 10 travel tips I wish I knew earlier. These tips have been gathered from my own experiences and the lessons I've learned along the way. Hopefully, you learned something new today, whether it was a handy trick for packing more efficiently, or a clever way to save money on accommodations, or at least got a good laugh out of my travel mishaps. Trust me, I've had my fair share of those. From missing flights to getting lost in foreign cities, travel is always an adventure. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel and lets me know that you appreciate the content. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel shenanigans. There's so much more to explore and share, and I can't wait to take you along on the next adventure. Let me know in the comments what your top travel tips are. I love hearing from you and learning from your experiences too. Your tips might just help another traveler out there. Safe travels, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Goodbye for now.